The negative battery is connected to body ground. The positive battery is connected to ammeter. Ammeter is connected to ignition switch. Ignition switch is connected to ballast o tinawag kong fuse box. Fuse box connected to ignition coil. Yung ignition coil po is I have a 3 wire. Yung first wire po is connected nanggaling po sa fuse box. Yung the second one is connected to capacitor, and yung contact breaker po is nakatap po dun sa isang wire na kinonect dun sa capacitor. And yung sa top po ng ignition coil is kinonect sa distributor. Yung distributor po ako po firing order na 1342. Tapos i-connect mo po sa to spark plug na so mga pasunod-sunod pong firing order. Pagka-connect mo po, ako po ito mga ako po source of ground. Maski po dun sa to kinonect to ignition coil na sa to 3 wire na pinag-connect po ako man to source of ground. That's all.